Basic information of Jin'aolan Machine Tool. Jin'aolan Machine Tool Company Limited was established in 2009 with registered capital of 55.47 million RMB. The company is located in Huanglong Industrial Zone, Wuyi County, Jinhua City, Zhejiang Province, covering an area of 76,000 square meters, including 30,000 square meters of large machine assembly workshop, plant height 35 meters, 120 tons of crane, along with advanced automatic cutting machine, welding equipment, large CNC floor boring and milling machine, plane grinding, and other processing equipment such as ultrasonic flaw detector, laser tracking instrument, and other high-precision testing equipment. Jin'aolan Machine Tool is a national high-tech enterprise integrating research, development, production, and sales as a whole, engaging in high-precision press machine from 25 tons to 2,500 tons. R&D innovation capability. Jin'aolan Machine Tool has a good and harmonious research and development environment and a team of highly skilled professionals. There are more than 340 employees. Company introduced advanced production and processing technology and technical standards from Germany and Japan. The company's annual investment in R&D accounts for more than 4.6% and completes at least 6 product technology innovations and R&D every year. The high-precision press machine adopts JISB 6402, Japanese National Standard First Level Precision, far higher than the existing National Industry Standard level, and has a strong core technology advantage in the independent development ability of large tonnage 4-link and 8-link press production line, as well as the Internet Intelligent Manufacturing technology of architecture information and automatic control. Core technology and position in the industry. At present, Jin'aolan Machine Tool has obtained 16 authorized invention patents, more than 60 effective utility model patents, 5 software copyrights, and 8 foreign-related patents, participated in drafting 3 national standards, 3 industry standards, and 1 Zhejiang Manufacturing Group standard. And our high-precision press ranks top 3 in the market of home appliance industry. Market scale. After years of technological innovation and development, high-precision press has become an important partner of FAW Volkswagen, SVW, FAW Toyota, SAIC GM, and other automobile manufacturers, and has become the preferred supplier of Mitsubishi, Daikin, Gree, and other well-known enterprises, and serves Hisense and Midea's overseas factory constructions. Company vision. Adhering to the development concept of scientific and technological innovation, intelligent manufacturing, Jin'aolan Machine Tool actively responds to the proposal of accelerating the high-quality development of manufacturing industry and the safety of industrial chain and supply chain put forward by Provincial Committee Party, provides solid industrial chain supply for upstream and downstream enterprises, strives to create high-quality products, and helps to rebuild the foundation of China's manufacturing industry and upgrade the industrial chain.